Welcome back to Future CAD/CAM Design. Today I will explain about top CAD softwares used in mechanical industries. Most of them will have confusion which software need to learn and which is best for mechanical design future career. So in this video I will provide you a overall idea about the design CAD softwares. At first we need to know what is meant by CAD. The abbreviation of CAD is Computer Aided Design and it is used to create 2D and 3D models. The CAD is used by various industries such as architect, construction, electrical and electronics and mechanical industries. So in this video I will explain you about mechanical CAD. What is the use of CAD softwares? Why we need to use the CAD softwares? In early stage of designs there are no CAD softwares, but now they are using more CAD softwares for designing the components or products. So what is the use of CAD software? So CAD software, it will increase the efficiency of designer by saving time. It will improve the quality of the design, quality of the product. It will increase the precision and it will increase the productivity and it will improve the communication through the documentation. And also it is used to maintain the essential database of our product or of our component. So these are the various uses of CAD softwares. That is why we are using CAD softwares nowadays in many industries. Even it is a small scale industry, they are using a CAD software to develop their product and manufacturing purposes. What are the best mechanical softwares and how to begin a mechanical design career? These questions are widely asked questions by many of the graduates. Okay, first thing is, what is best mechanical software? Here you can see right side corner, SolidWorks, CATIA, Creo, Siemens NX, Autodesk Inventor and Solid Edge. These are the most commonly used softwares by companies. So you need to learn any one of the software from this. Okay, this is about best mechanical software and how to begin a mechanical design career. If any one of you graduate or any one of you is willing to move into a design career, means first thing is you need to learn a 3D software. You need to learn a 3D CAD software. Even it may be SolidWorks, CATIA, Creo, Siemens NX or anything, but you should have knowledge about 3D CAD modeling softwares. Second thing is you should have practice and you should have hands-on experience on the softwares. You should learn all the tools inside the softwares. And third most important thing is you should learn about GD&T. GD&T means geometric dimension and tolerance. It is most basic thing for manufacturing of a component. When you are going to make a design, you should consider the manufacturing facts, whether it is possible to manufacture or not. So GD&T is most important thing to learn if you are willing to move into a design career. And fourth most important thing is, it's under my experience, start a career from a small scale company, because once you get experienced, full experienced in small scale companies, if you get experienced means then automatically all MNC companies will willing to hire you for the job, design engineer job. And here we have mechanical design software summary. These are the most common softwares used in design industries. I have given some of the summaries of the design softwares. So first of all, Unigraphics NX. This software is introduced by Siemens PLM. So this company introduced this software, and this software is high range software because the cost of the software is very high. This software will be used in automotive industry, aerospace industries, like the higher level industries. And you can see here what are the companies using these softwares, like Tesla, Nissan, Suzuki, Daimler, LG. Like this higher level companies are using Unigraphics software because the cost of the software is high. Also this software have high range of tools for designing the components like that and assembly, etc. And Unigraphics is most important tool for mechatronic concept design. It has mechanisms, mechatronic concept designs, robotic designs, sheet metal design, surface modeling designs, and n number of tools are available in NX Unigraphics. And second thing is CATIA V5. CATIA V5 is also a higher level software and the cost of the software is also high. CATIA V5 is released by Dassault System. The name of the company is Dassault System. And then CATIA V5 also used by high range companies such as Tata Motors, Ford, BMW, Hyundai and Boeing. So these two softwares are major softwares which are used in most of the MNC companies. And the next thing is Creo. Creo is a parametric software. It is released by PTC. The company of name is the PTC. And Creo, SolidWorks, Inventor and Solid Edge. These softwares are lower range software because the cost of the software is very low when compared to CATIA V5 and Unigraphics NX. So Creo is widely used in Toyota, Hyundai, Whirlpool, like that companies. And next thing is SolidWorks. SolidWorks is also released by Dassault System. Both SolidWorks and Unigraphics both CATIA V5 and SolidWorks, these both softwares are belongs to Dassault Systems. So solid modeling, I think everyone knows SolidWorks is very most important tool for part modeling surfaces. Even it is used in small scale industries, product designs and startup designs. It is widely used in small scale industries, the SolidWorks, because SolidWorks have wide range of tools for part modeling. It have very user friendly tools and everyone can learn SolidWorks easily. Next thing, same Inventor and Solid Edge, both the softwares are same like SolidWorks. So SolidWorks, Inventor, Solid Edge, all the three softwares are competitor to one another because all the three software have some of the specifications are same and all used for designing part modeling, sheet metal, things like that. So all the three softwares are low range softwares and the software cost is very low. So they are used by small scale industries widely for product designing. If you are a mechanical engineer, then you should be aware of what is meant by domain. What are the various domain available in mechanical engineering and what are the various domain available under the mechanical design engineer. So today I will give you small knowledge about what are the domains available under mechanical design, because if some of you is willing to go under the design field, then you should know about what are the various domains available under the design field. So first thing is product design. Product design means you need to design a gear or you need to design a engine, then it will comes under the product design. And the softwares, most widely used softwares for product design is SolidWorks, CATIA and Creo. So product design means it will be used in automobile industries, aerospace industries and home appliance designs. This will have most of the product design, so they are using SolidWorks software, CATIA software and Creo software. Next thing is sheet metal domain. Sheet metal domain means it will be based only purely upon sheet metals. For example, if you have any food processing machine, means the food processing machine will be completely covered by sheet metal surfaces. So this will be entirely designed under the sheet metal domain. It will come under the sheet metal domain. So what are the softwares is good for sheet metal domain means Creo, CATIA and Inventor, because these three software have user friendly tools for designing the sheet metal tools. And next thing is plastic product and surface designing. It is also one of the most important domain under the mechanical design. It is used by aerospace designs, automobile designs, automobile industries, electromechanical industries. For example, we need to design a outer surface of any of the car, or we need to design any outer surface of any of the rockets, like that means they will use surface modeling. So most important software for surface designing is CATIA and NX. So if you hear the name CATIA means, then you should remember surface modeling, because CATIA have n number of tools for modeling a surface of a product, of a component. And next thing is casting and molding design domain. So for this they are using the software CATIA and NX. If you need to become a casting modeler or mold design modeler, then you should learn the software CATIA and NX. These are the both software widely used for these domains. Mostly automobile industries, heavy machineries and product developments. The products, what are the castings, moldings done, they all designed under the CATIA and NX. And next is special purpose machines. It is the most important thing for small scale industries. Nowadays many of the small scale industries are doing special purpose machines, I mean SPM. They are using SolidWorks and Creo. Most widely they are using SolidWorks, and in some of the places they are using Creo softwares, because these machines will have wide variety of parts and they should be combined together as a assembly design, and there are customized machine designs also available. So for n number of components, n number of assembly parts, they are using SolidWorks and Creo. So I think you all get a basic knowledge about all design softwares and domains under the mechanical design field. So if you are going to choose mechanical design field means, at first please be aware of domains. What are the different domains available in mechanical design, and in which domain you are interesting, or you are interesting in aerospace, or you are interesting in special purpose machine or casting or plastic modeling. So first choose your domain. This is for all mechanical engineers who are willing to step into the design field. So you should select one domain. After selecting domain, you should select the software. Which software you should learn? Higher end softwares are CATIA and NX. Lower end softwares are Creo SolidWorks. So you should choose your domain first thing, and second thing, you should choose your software. So you should have practice on the software, and you should have hands-on experience on the software. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for future CAD/CAM design for more videos.